Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make AE-like transitions on VideoStar. I'm going to be using the Pro version, so unfortunately none of these transitions will be free. Alright, let's just jump straight into the first transition. First, press on New, then press on Multilayer. Now press on 1, and then choose the clip you'd like to use in your transition. Press on Edit Keyframes, and we're just going to make a simple slide transition, so I'll just give you the QR codes for that. So I actually ended up making a multi-layers QR code, and all you have to do is go into the main multi-layer menu, and then select the little QR code icon in the corner of the screen and import the screenshot of this QR code. Now you're going to go to your second clip, press New, Multi-Layer, press on 1 and select the clip that you'd like to use in your transition. Now you can use the second QR code. Okay, now that you have your slide transition, press on Edit and then press on Merge Scenes. Set the start at the start of your clip and set the end at the end of your clip. And then press on Merge. Press Save. Now we press on New, Transform, and then go to Time Slicer. Select Frozen Ends, and make sure that out of the two boxes, the left one says vertical. Then you're done. Press on Create, and this is what your transition looks like. Okay, so for the second transition, press on New, then press on Multi-Layer. Press on 1, import the photo you'd like to use, and then press on 2 and import the exact same thing. Go back to the first layer, select Add Mask, and then go over to Shape, and then press on these 3 lines right here. Now go down to the bottom until you find this rectangle. It should take up about half of the square. Press on Done, then press on 2, and then press on Add Mask. Then press this button right here. It flips around the mask. Press on Done, go back to the first layer, and then press on Edit Keyframes. We're just going to make a simple slide down transition. So go to the very end of your clip and drag your clip down. Press on Path, and then press on Custom, and then make your graph look like mine. Press on Back, then press on Mirror, select the very last option. Now select your second layer and then press on Edit Keyframes, then press on Options and then press on Copy Keyframes from layer 1. At the very end of your clip, just drag your photo or video up. And then go to Mirror and select the last option. Now go to Color and then put tracking bar on both of them. Now go to your second clip and then press on New, then press on Multi-Layer. Then press on 1 and select your picture. Now that I have the first picture, I'm going to press on Add Mask. I'm going to make sure the mask looks like this, and I'm going to press on Done. It should be the same mask you used in the first part of your transition. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for the second layer, but make sure that that mask is flipped. Now go to your first layer, then press on Edit Keyframes. Go to the very end of your clip, and then press a keyframe on Path. Now go back to the very beginning of your clip, and drag your photo up. Now go to the very end of your clip, press on that straight line, and then press on Custom. Then make your graph look like mine. Now go to your second layer, press Edit Keyframes, and then press Options, and then Copy Keyframes from layer 1. Now drag your photo all the way down. Then then press on mirror and select the very last option. Now add tracking blur to both of your clips. And there you have it. Okay, so for this last transition, press on New and press on Multi-Layer. Press 1 and then select the clip you'd like to use in your transition. Then press on Layout and then look up Stretchy, and then press this little up arrow and then select Horizontal down at the very bottom. Now press on 1 and press on Edit Keyframes. Go down to the very end of your clip, then press the opacity icon and it will change into a layout button. Drag the layout up. Now, right above it there's a straight line. Press on that and then press on Custom, and then make your graph look like mine. Now press on Back and then press Create, and then press on Done. Now press on New and then press on Transform, and then press on VS Motion Blur, and then press Create. Now press on New, Multi-Layer, press 1, then select your original photo or video. Now press on Edit Keyframes, go to the very end of your clip, rotate your clip. Now press on the straight line above it, Custom, and then just make your graph look like mine. Now press on Back, press on Mirror, select the fourth option, and then go to Color, and then press on Tracking Blur. Now press Create. Now press on New, Multi-Layer, press on 1, select the clip that had the stretch transition. Now press on 2, and then press on Color, and then make your color green, like a bright neon green. Then press Done, then press on Add Mask, and go to the Shape section, press the 3 lines, and then select the circle. Now press on Done, and then press on the second layer, press on Edit Keyframes, and drag the size down to 75. Now press Back, and then press Create, then press Done. Now press on New, press on Multi-Layer again, press on 1, and then select the clip with the rotation transition. And then press on 2, and then select the clip with the green circle. Then press on Add Mask, and then go to Color, and all you have to do is just press on the circle in the middle, and the circle should disappear. Press on Done, and press on Create. My clips don't match correctly because back when I was making the first transition, I accidentally changed the layout, but I went back to fix that. Now go to your second clip and then press on New, press on Multi-Layer. Now press 1 and select the photo or video, then press on Layout and then select Stretchy and press the little up arrow and choose the horizontal option at the very bottom. Now press on 1 and then press on Edit Keyframes. Press the opacity icon and it should change into the layout icon. Now go to the very end of your clip, place a layout keyframe. Now go to the very start of your clip and drag the layout slider down. Now go to the very end of your clip and press on that straight line above layout, then press on Custom, and then make your graph look like mine. Now press on Back, then press Create. Now press on New, press on Transform, and then VS Motion Blur. Now press New, Multi-Layer, 1, your original photo, then press on Edit Keyframes, and finish off that rotation transition. Don't do what I did, guys. You have to rotate your transition the opposite way you started off your transition. Now press on Back, press on Mirror, and then select the fourth option. Press on Color, and then press on Tracking Blur. And press Create. Now press on New, Multi-Layer, press on 1, press on the clip with the squish transition. I don't really know what you'd call it. Then press on 2, Color, press Done, press Add Mask, Shape, make sure it's a circle, and press Done. Then press on 2 again, and then press Edit Keyframes, and change the size down to 75. Press Back, press Create, press Done, New, Multi-Layer, press on 1, the rotation clip, then press on 2, and then the squish clip, press on Add Mask, go to Color, and press Done, and there's your transition. There you have it. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!